Many organizations that have been adopting additive manufacturing have begun to find success in their AM strategies. However, new pain is surfacing as they start to scale and integrate additive into their supply chains. This pain has surfaced at almost every organization as they begin to scale out additive. Organizations have financial viability risk with costly manual operations and inefficient communication, unpredictable cycle times, inconsistent or non-existent data collection infrastructure, quality and compliance risks, and the inability to continuously improve. Organizations must realize their return on investment for additive to maintain its viability as a new tool for their ever-changing supply chains. More than ever, organizations are realizing that an end-to-end software solution is key to moving to more automated, predictive, and intelligent manufacturing. But when scoping out software to alleviate these growing pains, organizations are faced with several options. Building a software internally may seem like a viable option. However, this solution offers a dangerous risk as organizations have experienced single points of failure. A traditional manufacturing execution system, or MES, may also seem like a viable option. However, this can lead to several issues that can halt additive production altogether. Traditional MES platforms are not built for digital manufacturing, which means they lack the simulation tools needed for costing, production planning and scheduling, and specific workflows designed for additive processes, which can all lead to production failure. An additive-focused operating system, like Link3D, provides organizations with a single view of their hardware assets, simulation, planning, and analytical toolsets required to optimize, continuously improve, and scale additive operations. When is the right time for organizations to select an additive MES? Organizations that do not want to risk the loss of data and quality, as well as want to scale and actualize the benefits of additive, are ready. Set up a meeting to discuss your organization's needs today and begin your digital transformation with Link3D.